Hey, did you know that LinkedIn is something like a second website for you? Have you ever tried doing a Google search and ended up finding a LinkedIn page for that particular person or a company? Exactly, this is how SEO for LinkedIn works. So, I'm going to tell you 5 pro tips that will help you to optimize your LinkedIn strategy. Point number 1, create a company page on LinkedIn. And once you create that, point number 2, use the right banners and right profile pictures. You can use your logo and an appropriate banner. Make sure you keep updating your banner periodically depending on the contemporary things that you're doing within your company. The size, the clarity should be perfect. Within the page, make sure the About Us description is properly formatted, written well, and has all the relevant keywords. Coming to the next point, the regular posts and articles. These are very critical because these are highly discoverable. Make sure you use the right keywords, make sure you use the right hashtags when you post. Hashtags are very important in LinkedIn as much as they are on Instagram. So if you're doing something on education, make sure all keywords of education are used as hashtags. You can also post videos, either post the YouTube links or update the video itself on LinkedIn. Either way works. Try doing a mix of both and check what works best for you. Do this consistently. Once you start posting things on LinkedIn very regularly and consistently, you will start reaping the benefits of LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an awesome tool if used effectively. So make sure you follow all these pro tips and reap the rewards of using LinkedIn in your SEO strategy.